Hi, this question reveals a very important fact about exponents. Give it a go. The answer's coming in 3, 2, and 1. So we're going to start with something to note. So we're going to be looking at modulo 10, which is a function we will be using throughout this video. So the last digit of any number is just that number modulo 10, which is the remainder when divided by 10. Let's look at an example for the exponents of 7. So 7 raised to the power of 1 is 7 and the last digit is 7, meaning 7 modulo 10 is equal to 7, and so on. So we can see when we come to 7 to the power of 5, we get the last digit 7 and we're back to the start. This means that this must repeat as we are doing the same thing multiplying by 7. So this is going to keep going on and on and on. So why do these last digits of exponents repeat? Basically, when you keep multiplying a number modulo 10 by a specific number, the possible remainders are limited, only 0 to 9. This means that at some point the last digits must repeat because there are only 10 possible last digits. So now let's head back to the question. First, let's look at the last digit of 3 raised to the power of 20. So modulo 10 of exponents of 3 goes in a pattern like 3, 9, 7, 1, and then at 3 to the power of 5, it goes back to 3. So what would be the 20th value? So since 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5 with no remainder, this means that 20 is equal to 4 times 5. Now since this pattern is repeating, the last digit being 3 would work for every fourth exponent plus 1. So this is for 3 raised to the power of 4x plus 1. The second one, which is last digit, is 9. That would also work for 3 to the power of 4x plus 2, and so on. Meaning last digit being 1 works for 3 raised to the power of 4x. Now since 20 is equal to 4 times 5, which is basically also in the form of 4x, last digit of 3 to the power of 20 is equal to 1. Now let's look at 5. The last digit of any power of 5 is always 5, because 5 to the power of x always ends in a 5. That's just a pattern that keeps going on and on. So the last digit of 5 raised to the power of 15 will also be 5. So the answer to this, it is going to be 1, which is the last digit of 3 raised to the power of 20, plus 5, which is the last digit of 5 raised to the power of 15. That is going to be 6. So our answer is going to be 6. Thanks for watching.